Hi and welcome back to Euro Truck Simulator 2. I've been having a lot of issues with other games, trying to get them to work. Not games that I've played before, but for some reason or other it doesn't like running them in full screen, or it crashes, or... Anyway, nonsense. Anyway, so long story short, we're back on Euro Truck Simulator 2, because it works. So we'll continue the game. Yes, last time we did the tutorial, and that was pretty awesome. Right, so we got our progress and profiles and photo studio and blah 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 blah. Let's pick our next job on the job market. Earn money for your company using your own equipment. Load the front and deliver it safe and sound. Get hired as a professional driver, no fuss. Right, that's the only option we've got, is a quick job. What are we gonna do? We could go from Manchester to what's the easiest? Off expires in 40 minutes. Let's take that one. Take the job. If we can. Oh, just having to think about it. I'll try with the controller again. It didn't work so well last time. Oh, good. Yeah, I don't want to do the mouse. Can you remember how we turned the ignition on? I like that. Let's check. Oops. That was the mirrors, so let's check our view. Right, we're going to take a JCB to Carlisle or something. Right. Oh crap, I can't get out this way. Oh damn it. Right. Where do we go? Can we swing round? I don't think we can. Oh, it's a long one. Right, the only thing I can think to do is to try and swing around. They've not made this easy, to be honest. There we go. Beautiful. Let's try changing the view again then. Yeah, brilliant. I have new mail. I don't care about the mail, we're just gonna do the delivery. Thank you. Oh crap, that was close. Whew! Right, we want to go left here. Let's check. Yeah, nothing's coming. We're on the wrong side of the road. Standard. Oh god, I don't like this camera angle at all. Let's chill out. Oh frick! I was rearranging myself. That was a bit awkward. And the speed limit is 60, so we'll be alright now, I guess. This all feels very strange. So here we go, off to Carlisle. I think that's where I'm going, I'm not sure. So we're only doing 40 at the moment. Oh god. Oh, I wanna go up here. Okay, sorry guys, I got a bit confused there. Going up a very narrow road, and there's a car behind me. Well, tough. I know there's a car behind me. So here we are on the road again. On the M62, was that? I didn't see. The M52. Maybe, don't know. Okay, so I need a better view of my mirrors there, please. Oh god. Thank you. What speed are we doing? Still only 40. Well, that's a bit upsetting. I've got half a tank of fuel. So there's that. And we are off. Well, we're not going to be on here for long, actually, because... wow, this is going to be a long drive. Good. Right, so yeah, a bit boring actually. So we're doing 55 now. We actually do want to come off here. I don't know why I indicated, because I wasn't changing lanes. We probably want to slow down a bit. And we're coming back onto another... We're onto the M6. Okay. Hang on. I appear to be going the wrong way. Well, that's... Yeah, that's not ideal. Right, so we're going to turn off here. And go the other way. Okay. Cancel the indicators and round we go. Marvelous. Job's a good un. And then we want to get back up onto that motorway. So we're looking for a place to turn around. Sorry, car behind. Because we've gone a bit wrong. Ooh. Come on, there's got to be a place to turn around somewhere. Oh god! Oh, this is annoying. Liverpool, where the hell are we going? I just want to turn around, please. I can't believe that there's nowhere to turn around. Alright, there's a roundabout at the end of the road here. Liverpool, like that's right. You're gonna have a little sign like that. I don't think so. Right. Illegal maneuver here. Sod it. Frick! Yeah, I've ballsed it up, I know. We got caught on the... Yeah, fine. Who cares, right? I don't care. I got wrong... Went wrong somewhere. Right, okay, we're back into the 60. Heading the right way after discovering Liverpool, which is not the right way. Nice. May have to cut that bit. It's the stress of driving. Oh god, we went the wrong effing way. Thanks, SatNav! Bloody SatNav. It's the wrong one, I tell you. I was having such a nice drive as well. I've done myself a mischief. We've caused ourselves all sorts of grief. My lorry is being slow now. It's not even my lorry. They're never gonna pay me any money or hire me to do anything ever. Bloody hell. Oh! Took that a bit quick. Right, we're on the M6 and now going in the right direction. Thank you very much. Oh my word. Terrible. Terrible. Terrible, terrible. It's not an easy thing to turn around this, and it is long. If I hit 2 now, yeah, you'll whoops. You can see how big and long it is. No, we don't want to turn off. I'm gonna hit 1 again because I don't like that. It's a very quiet motorway. Anyway, right, we are heading north on the M6. Come on, please. There is a petrol station up ahead. We're not going to use it though. Oh god, I've got ages to go yet. Might have to do a lot of cutting with this game. Yes, I'm hogging the centre lane. No, we're going in the fast lane. Okay, maybe not. Let's get back into the slow lane, seeing as we're only doing 60 or 58, whatever we're limited to. It says 70 on the back of the trailer. God knows how you get to 70. No idea. So this is riveting. I've forgotten. Maybe I'll just speed the whole thing up. I don't know. Right, it's going to be another 2 hours and 26 minutes. I hope that's not in real life, or else things are going to be bad. Right. Still on the sat-nav, nothing's going on. Fuel, we've got 805 miles worth of fuel. 637 litres, that's insane. Right, let's get this dropped off. I can't remember how to auto park. I shouldn't really be worrying about it, to be honest, because it's going to be a while before we're going to be parking. Ooh, 50. And the speed camera's here. Okay, so 50 is the speed limit. Oh, I think we crept over 50 there a bit. Alright, that's national speed limit again. Services are doing 1 mile. You do services in a lorry. That'd be a nightmare. Should we go to the services? I feel like I've been driving for hours. I need a break. No, we'll just keep going. Oh, nice sunflowers. I think I was on the hard shoulder. That's what that vibrating noise was. So I'm wide. Not that I expect myself to be more to fit the lane size, but I don't. I'm actually quite narrow in comparison to the lane size, which is weird. Okay, so we've got a 60 mile an hour speed limit here. I don't think we can do more than 60 anyway, so we haven't got to worry about that. I seem to have lost quite a bit of money there. Probably more than the job was worth, so that's good. That is good. Right, so we've got, wow, actually says how many miles we've done in total in this lorry, I think. There, yep, it's going up. Got 776 miles left in the tank, so we should be okay. Right, I no longer want to be a lorry driver when I grow up. I mean, it's boring. Look at this. Yawn. Right, okay. Maybe it pays well. Don't know. Right, on the road again. Just keep going on the road again. There was nothing trying to come on the road there. Ooh, 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 ooh. We almost left the road, however, and we did not want to do that. I should have indicated that there are plenty of cars around. There's nothing coming up the slip road that's going to interfere with us, and we'll change lanes. Oh, and we're going into a tunnel. Right, why is this person going so slowly? We're going to have to overtake again. I didn't mean to left click. Right, I think we are quite long, but I think it's safe for us to pull back in now. There we go. Masterfully done there. Oh yes. Because that car was going painfully slow. Are we there yet? No. Apparently we're 41 miles away. So we've done quite a lot. Our forklift digger or what? Oh, okay, it's a 50 zone again. Of course. Roadworks. Yes. Oh, we were making good time there as well. Oh, he's digging it! Oh wow, that was cool. Doing the roadworks. Well, at least there's no traffic. Oop, I'm going a bit fast. Ease off there a bit. Ease off. Ain't worth it. Speeding's never worth it. You don't get there any quicker. Well, minutes. Unless you get stopped by the police, and then you don't get there any quicker. Right, okay, we're out of the roadworks. Foot down again. Or finger down. There's a van, a black van. Oh, nope, what's it got? Building supplies. Oh, supplies, nice to see you.